The bell ringers?
What is designing with nature by adding a stream in your backyard? Or keeping your trees in your backyard?
We'll go with the correct answer on retaining the trees.
20 points.
First answer is 20 points. Did I hear that bell? There we go.
What is designing with nature by retaining riparian vegetation and having the riprap as opposed to concrete wall?
Is that a patch of grass or is that water down there? That's a patch of grass, isn't it?
Well, where is that a water body or where is that? That, I'm afraid, that wasn't one of the answers that the panel had prearranged and was looking for.
Richard being the panel.
Yeah. Do we have another answer?
What is designing with nature by keeping as much of the natural environment or habitat?
I would say that that's a correct answer because it's not about the trees. It's about native design in the landscaping. I can see two other correct answers on this particular